Hi everyone, welcome back to Dynamsoft's channel. Today we're going to build a passport and ID scanner in Flutter. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to add the SDK, write just a few lines of code, and get structured MRZ data instantly. First, we add the MRZ Scanner package to our Flutter project. This brings in everything we need, from camera access to MRZ recognition. Next, we import the SDK into our main Dart file. This unlocks the scanner classes and functions for our app. We'll set up a variable to hold whatever result the scanner returns, so we can easily display it on screen. Now we configure and launch the scanner. We add our license key, start scanning, and handle the 3 possible outcomes: canceled, exception, or finished. When finished, we get structured data like name, nationality, and expiry date. With set state, we refresh the UI and show the scan details instantly. Finally, we add a button so users can trigger the scanner with a single tap. Now let's test it out. Tap the button, scan the MRZ on a passport or ID, and the details appear immediately. No manual typing required. And that's it! In just a few steps, we built a working passport and ID MRZ scanner in Flutter with Dynamsoft's preset SDK. From here, you can expand it further, saving results, validating IDs, or integrating into your own workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Dynamsoft's channel for more tutorials and demos.